Hi, this is Marcia Jeans, Instructional Technology Specialist, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Clipart transparency problems. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here's a nice little picture of a cat that I got from the internet, and I copied and I pasted it into my smart notebook. And it looks pretty good, doesn't have any problems, but this is what happens when you want to format the background and change it into a different color. Now all of a sudden my clip art, the white box around it shows, and it really is not very attractive. There's a very simple way in order for you to fix this white box on many of your clip art graphics. Simply click on your image, click on the drop down arrow, and choose Set Picture Transparency. Once you're here, as you move your cursor over your image, you'll get an eyedrop. Click the eyedrop in all the sections that you want to become transparent. Sometimes it takes several clicks, sometimes it may only take one or two. And then click OK. And voila! My picture is fixed. It's as simple as that, and I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Have a great day.